There's a lot of environmental stressors out there, but today we're gonna talk about probably the number one environment stress that our animals can experience, the heat stress. It's crazy to know all the causes of heat stress to a chicken's body physiologically. So everything from tissue damage, decreased feed intake, decreased feed absorption, or worse, mortality. Many researchers is saying that supplementing molasses to their drinks, especially hot weather, can induce heat stress. Ito ay papakita ko ang process ng pagtitimpla ng ating supplementary drinks na molasses. First, meron tayo ditong molasses itself. Ilalagay lang natin sa maliit na lalagyan for easy access or mas madali nating makuha compared dun sa malaking bottle. Kung mapapansin nyo, nakagamit tayo ng gloves to prevent contamination. Meron tayong syringe dito for accurate measurement. And then, kapag nakuha natin siya, ihalo lang dito sa may 2 liters of water and mix thoroughly and then ipainom na. Mas mainam itong ibigay tuwing umaga para pagdating ng hapon, medyo maibsan ang kanilang pagkauhaw at mabawasan yung init sa kanilang mga katawan. Ang pagbibigay ng molasses ay may good benefits at bad benefits. Simulan natin sa good benefits. Ang molasses ay may laxative effects. Ibig sabihin, may ipa-flush niya yung toxic substance na nakain or na-indigest ng ating mga alaga. Maganda ito lalong-lalo na sa new arrivals na chicks na galing sa biyahe. Dahil ang molasses ay quick source of energy and excellent source of minerals. Ang disadvantages naman ng molasses ay kapag nasobrahan, ang kanilang feces or dumi ay sobrang basa or malambot. Frequently asked questions.
Ano ba ang ratio ng paglalagay ng molasses?
For every liter of water, maglalagay tayo ng 4 ml of molasses.
Applicable ba itong ipainom sa iba't ibang hayop?
Oo naman, pwede mo ito ipainom sa kahit anong hayop, mapa-farm animals man ito or pets, dahil ang molasses ay organic. Ayun lamang, sana may naintindihan kayo. Kita-kits sa next video. Bye-bye!